Hello everyone, today we are going to see one example on minor and cofactor. Here we have given matrix A of order 2 by 2. We have to find all the minors and cofactors. Okay, so what we have to do here we have 4 elements. So we will find minor of all these elements. We know that minor is denoted by, this is Mij. This is what? For element Aij, right? Okay, so first we will find here this for this first element. So this is, we will write M11. This is for here which element? A11. Okay, so how to find this M11 here? We know that how to find this is here. Minor is determinant left after excluding, this is first row and first column for this first element, for this A11 element. Okay, so what is it? Determinant left after excluding this row. So what we got here? This is here determinant. This is -4. Okay, so by solving this is here, we get here this -4. Now just don't get confused. This is in modulus sign and determinant sign. This is here determinant, so we have to take here minus as it is. Okay, now we want minor of this next element, so we will find minor of this 2 here. So what is the position of this? This is here A12, so we will write here this is M12. So what is here? What is the minor of this 2 here? So what is here? This is excluding this element and this element. So this is here, we got here this is 3. Okay, so we'll write in determinant this is 3 here. By solving it, we get this one. Now next we need minor of this 3. So what is position? This is here A21. Okay, so what is here? Determinant left after excluding this column and this row. Okay, so what is this here? We get here this is 2. Okay, so we get this one. Similarly, we have here minor of this A22. So we will write M22. So what is here? Minor of this element. So what is this one? Excluding this row and this column. So we get this is here 1. Okay. So now next we want cofactor. Cofactor of all element Aij. So we know that how to find this cofactor. We have formula for cofactor. This is Cij. This is for -1 raised to this is I plus j into minor of that Aij. Okay. So what is here? If we want the cofactor of this first element, so we will write here this is C11 raised to this is here -1 raised to this is 1 plus 1 into minor of that one, that element. Okay, so on simplification we get here this is 1 into minor of that one. Okay, so we get here this is cofactor of that first element is equals to plus of this minor of that element. We know that cofactors and minors are related by plus minus sign, and we have seen that cofactor signs are given by this one matrix. So this is here of order 2 by 2. So we will write all cofactor sign in one matrix. This is here. Okay. So what is here? All these signs are for cofactors. Okay. So what is here? To avoid all this calculation, we have summarized all these signs in this one matrix. We will call this as a cofactor sign matrix, right? Okay, so taking the help of this one, we will write here cofactor of this here first element, right? This first element. So what is this here? By this formula we get here this is, we will write this plus sign here, plus into this minor, right? So here minor we got here this is -4. Okay, so we get here C11 is here -4. Now we will find next cofactor for this one, C12. What is C12 cofactor sign? this is minus. So minus of this M12, right? Minus of that 1. So we get here C12 is equals to what here? This is minus 3. Next we can find C21, that means cofactor of this A21 element. So this is here A21, this is this sign. So we will write this is minus of this. Okay. So this is what here? M21. So we get here C21 is equals to, this is minus of this 2. Okay. So similarly we have here C22. What is here? Plus sign. Plus into this minus. Okay. We get here C22 is equals to, what is here? This is plus 1. Okay. So we have find all cofactors here. Right. So these are the minors and these are the cofactors of all these 4 elements. Okay. So again, what is minor? Minor of any element is obtained by excluding that row and column in which that element is lies. Okay. And what is cofactor? It is obtained by this formula. Okay. So this is we have find all minors and cofactors. Thank you.